guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with another video. Please click hands for me. I'm trying to be so consistent and I'm so invested in this. So if you're new here, my name is Rutendo and welcome to our family. So here we don't do negative energies. We are all positive here. We spread love and everything. So to my all-time subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't say names, but you know yourself. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos, and to all those monitoring spirits. Thank you for watching. But please don't forget to like. Don't forget to share and subscribe. So we're back with another video. I'm going for my maintenance. As you can see, I'm going for my maintenance, but I kind of like this era, like this just face. I'm all natural. I don't have nails, I don't have eyelashes, my hair is just my own hair. But I'll tell you guys in this video why I'm doing this. So I'm going for my maintenance. I'm going to get my nails done today. I'm not so sure if I'll be able to get probably my lashes as well, but I didn't book. I'm just going to try my luck. So I'll also do my lashes and I'll be left with my hair. I'll look for the hair that I want. I want to have a sew-in. So I'm not so sure if I get the hair that I want to put here. Like I told you, I just don't. There's this other braiding style that I want, but braiding I'm just going farira. I don't know. I just want wigs, and so I don't want to do an installation. So I want to do like more of a sew-in because it stays longer and my hair is relaxed. I think it will look so nice. So hopefully good as you know it. And then after that, I'm just going to look for a few things. I'm just going to look for a few things. I'm not so sure. And I also need to go to the tailor. I need to fix these pants that I got, but they're a bit long because I'm short. So I just have to go with them so that they get cut with us. They stretch. But you know what happens with those certain type of materials, they stretch. So when I ironed it got a bit bigger. So but I love it so much. So yeah, so that's it. I think I'm gonna do a bit of yapping. It's been long since I really got to. I usually don't do sit down videos and talk to you guys, but this is not a sit down video, but I just have to address certain things. And also yeah, I think that's it. But I also think we're traveling. I love it when I travel. I love it when I give you traveling vlogs, you guys, because I know you love them. I know you do. So we're gonna do traveling. I'll show you everything. Just stay tuned because this video has a lot of surprises in it. So yeah, I want to show you my outfit, and then I'll be good to go. It just feels I'm getting hurt leaving you guys because I'm just enjoying the conversation. I feel like we're having a conversation. I'm conversating with you guys. But anyway, why do I always say anyway? But is there another word too? Okay, so I'm just gonna go, and as you know, I don't usually like vlogging, walking in town looking for certain things. People just don't like being filmed. But obviously I'm going to go with you to my nail tech. I'll show you the process and everything. I'll just try to show you what I can. So thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for listening to me for this past 4 to 5 minutes. Thank you so much. So stay tuned and sit back, relax and enjoy.
still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. Find my forevermore, the more. Through every storm, you're my guiding light. In your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. In your arms I feel alive.
Hi guys, and welcome back. So I'm back from town and I got my eyelashes done. Can you see that? And I also got my nails done. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'll insert a picture here. Somewhere here you see it. But yeah, I'm back from town and let me show you this. Do you guys see that? So pretty. So yeah, back to me. So yeah, I got my nails done. I love the set so much. These days I'm just being so explore. Okay, whatever. I just love exploring new colors. So I had to try blue and it came out so nice. I don't know if you guys can to see. Yeah. But anyways, I'm done. I'm not cooking, so I'm just gonna eat cereal for supper and then I'll be good. Bye guys. Oh no, I'll go with you when I'm getting my hair done. I'm probably getting my hair done tomorrow. I couldn't get my hair done today, so yeah. Bye and good night. One day I'm gonna dance for you guys on this platform. Good morning guys. So this is another day and we're not going to get my hair done. It's still early morning, around past 8. So yeah, just going to get my hair done. I have some of the bundles here. I'll still have to add more bundles in time. It's so expensive. Hi. But anyways, let's go and get our hair done.
Bye, Marie. Bye, Marie. 58. 58. For a box, red beautiful beginners. Mira ndikaugredendo. Mira ndokufonera izvezvi.
Hi guys and welcome back to the video. I'm back from the salon and I want to say that I'm very happy. I'm very happy with the service I got. I got my head. Can you see that? Can you guys see? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing here? Yeah. I just feel excited when I get my hair done. Yeah. I like this kind of energy that men don't really understand, but I'm sure every woman here can testify. So this is the hair this is my real hair, as you can see, guys. My hair has grown so much. Yo, I wish. So this is a sew-in or sew-in, whatever. This is how it looks. I think I'm just gonna keep on combing the hair. I'm gonna keep on. Let me just use this word. I'm gonna keep on brushing this hair because it looks so nice. The texture, the length, I don't know. So this is how it looks, and I can style it whichever style that I want. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be styling my hair. It feels so refreshing to try chokwadi because like I'm just kucha I PC installation, and I think this is the best decision that I can ever make for myself. Actually, I already did, so I can just style it whichever way. I can do a puff here and leave it hanging. I can do half down, half what right here. I can do this, this, like, how put a croc, whatever pin that you can put. I can just leave it like this. It's actually, I don't want it enough to just leave it like this, or you can just tie a pony if you want to wear a hat or something because it's so hot. So yeah, I just had to show you guys my hair. So everything is done now, and I look good. It's giving this actual like natural look that I didn't want to remove when I still had my hair. I think I told you guys. But anyways, now I think in this vlog I've talked a lot. And yeah, thank you so much. If my video is ending here, thank you so much for watching. But trust me, after this video I'm dropping another banger, so stay tuned. Don't go away because I'm gonna be dropping another video anytime soon. I think if I'm ending this video right now, I'm actually gonna start the other video tomorrow or today. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I appreciate your efforts. I appreciate you all. Please share my videos with others. Wangona friend yako, just get their phone and just subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.